All right, everybody. So I got codes 5488 FMI5 and 4357 FMI5, and that is the two DEF lines right here, and you might be able to see right here. Both of these two was rubbing on each other, so now both of them are kind of messed up. You can see this right here, see how that looks, and then the other one, it's not as bad, but it's still a little rubbed in. So what I want to do is go ahead and try to do the butt connect. Well, essentially I'm gonna cut the wires and then try to reconnect them, and then hopefully that will take care of the codes. So I just cut this right here. You can see it's been cut. So I go ahead, take this, strip both sides, use the shortest one, the second to the shortest one. I'm sure it might not be long enough, but small enough. Alright. Hopefully you can see that, but it did. That one worked. Both of these are done. So next thing I'm gonna do is grab this and just place both inside. Now last thing I'm gonna do is take both ends so these both stay on. I'm gonna check these codes, check this one code. If this is done, I'll put some electrical wrap over this and go ahead, call it a day. Now to check to see that my codes are gone. You can see I got one left, which isn't either one of those two. There, so I still got that code, but other than that, this is done. This it took a couple of times of restarting this truck in order for those to go away though. So yeah, they do go away. They haven't come back. So hopefully this video helped you out.